You're good. What agency are you with?
I'm the state attorney.
Alright. Thank you. Your tag didn't come back. Never seen that before. I'm sorry? Yeah. We're good now.
So it was...
We ran the tag. I've never seen it before. A Florida tag. It's never come back to anything before. So that's the reason for the stop.
What was the tag run for?
I'm sorry?
What was the tag run for?
Oh, we run tags all the time, whether it's at traffic lights and that sort of stuff. That's how we figure out if, cars are stolen and that sort of thing. Also, the windows are really dark. I don't have a tint measurer, but that's another reason for the stop.
All right. Do you guys have cards on you?
Yeah, 1 second. Actually, this isn't my car, but I can write my name down if you'd like.
Yeah, he put my name on it.
What's your employee number? 157. Ready? There you are. Have a good day.
What looks like a routine traffic stop can sometimes reveal much more than what's happening on the surface. In this video, we're analyzing real bodycam footage involving Aramis Ayala, the former state attorney for Florida's Ninth Judicial Circuit. At first glance, everything seems completely normal. No shouting, no aggression, no ticket. But as the interaction unfolds, some serious legal and social questions begin to emerge. Why was the vehicle stopped in the first place? Was the officer's reasoning legally solid? And why did the tone of the stop suddenly shift once the officer realized who he was speaking to? Let's break it down. The video begins with what appears to be a calm and professional traffic stop. The officer approaches the vehicle in a standard manner. There's no immediate tension, no signs of danger. From a procedural standpoint, everything looks by the book. But here's where the first key question comes in. What was the actual reason for the stop? In any traffic stop, the officer must have reasonable suspicion, a legal standard that justifies pulling someone over. This could be anything from a traffic violation to suspected criminal activity. But in this case, the justification doesn't appear immediately clear or strong, and that's important. In U.S. law, a traffic stop is considered a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. That means it must be justified. If the officer's reasoning is vague, inconsistent, or unsupported, then the legality of the entire stop can be questioned. So when watching this footage, pay attention to how the officer explains the reason for the stop. Is it specific? Is it clear? Or does it feel like it's being figured out on the spot? Because that distinction matters, especially if the stop were ever challenged in court. So now we have to ask, what actually changed? Was the situation suddenly resolved? Or did the officer's behavior change because of who the driver was? This raises a deeper issue, one that goes beyond this single stop. Is the law applied equally to everyone? Or does status, position, or recognition influence outcomes in real-world policing? This isn't just about one officer or one stop. It's about consistency. Because in everyday situations, most drivers don't get a second look or a relaxed ending simply because of who they are. So when an interaction changes after identification, it naturally raises concerns about fairness and discretion. To be clear, officers do have discretion, but discretion becomes controversial when it appears selective. As for the officer involved in this footage, based on the available video alone, the officer's name is not clearly confirmed. Unless there's an official report or department release tied to this exact incident, it's important not to speculate or misidentify. So what do you think? Was this just a routine stop handled professionally? Or does it reveal something deeper about how authority and recognition can influence outcomes? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns like this, analyzing real footage and the law behind it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Because sometimes, the most important details are the ones that aren't immediately obvious.